Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to unlock Samsung tab with resetting. So as you can see, this is the Samsung tab I want to reset. To reset, you have to power off your Samsung tab. When it's power off, then you have to press the volume down button and press the power button together at the same time. So now come down, click on select on the wipe data factory reset and press the power button. And now click select on delete all user data, click the power button, and now click select the reboot and press the power button. Once it's reboot, then you have to wait about 4 to 5 minutes. Here you are. Now you have to unlock the Android tab. Here you are. I have opened the Samsung tab without any password. So I'm going to change the language. Here you can see the language is Chinese. You can change it into English language. Come down. Here select English. I hope you like and subscribe my video. Thanks for watching my video.